All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cutz. So today, I just want to walk us through on how to cut a perfect back taper fade. Can you see it? So what you need to do first is to comb out the hair. Comb out the hair. That is the first thing you need to do, to comb out the hair. After combing out the hair, so that you see how the hair texture is, how the hair grows. Do you understand? So after combing it finish, look at this hair now. Can you see that this person don have a lot of hairs here? Do you understand? So you create the first guideline. Clean your clip. Have done that. The first guideline is going to be skin. Can you see that it doesn't have a lot of hair here? So you put it on skin level. You raise your hand up. You can still cut it like this first. Can still cut it like this first. Whichever one that works best for you, you do it. Sorry guys. So after cutting it like that, can you see it? You raise your hand to take off those unnecessary hair. You take it off. So can you see it? After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. It's going to be on low cut level. You set it on low cut level by bringing the gear down. Look at it. You create the second guideline. See the way I'm doing it. Watch it very well. It's very, very simple. Whoever that tells you that paper fade or anything barbering is hard, it's not hard except you don't have passion for it. It can only be hard when you don't have passion for it. Do you understand? Watch what I'm doing. Please do well to share. I just want other people to benefit from this. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be sharing all these things. Do you understand? So after you have created the second guideline, you close the blade. Don't close it finish. I do call it semi low cut. Close it a bit, then you remove the line between the first guideline and the second guideline. You remove it. And this is what I'm doing, guys. You remove the line. After you have removed the line finish, you use your step 1.5. Can you see? Sometimes people will be like, why am I always using step 1.5? I'm using it because once you when you gauge it, can you see? It's step 1.5 that can carry this hair. This hair is not too bushy like that. That you can use step 2 or step 3. Can you see it? So you are going to use step 1.5. You set your blade under low cut level by bringing the gear down. You put it, you on it, you flick it like this to create the taper shape. Can you see it? Can you see the way I'm flicking it? Can you see it? To get a perfect taper shape. Can you see what I'm doing? Why I'm doing like this, so that it will rhyme. It will not be like cap, like someone is wearing cap. Everything will rhyme very well. So after you have created the shape, the next thing you need to do now is to use your step 1. Can you see it? Use your step 1. Still put it under low cut level. You flick it up. Don't let it go up too much. You flick it up. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Sometimes it's not everyone's hair at the back that is always smooth, that is always good for taper. That is some people's own is very, very soft. That's just sometimes you do it finish it will look as if it did not blend it very well, because some person's hair here is always coily. Do you understand? So after you have done it like that, if you turn your hand downward, you blend it like this. Like this one, I can see how it's coiling. So it's not that strong to give it that clean paper fade, but just understand the process, understand everything that I'm doing, the way I'm holding my clipper, the way I'm turning, the way I'm using steps, when to use it and when not to use it, so that it will not be difficult for you. So after you have done it like that finish, turn your hand upward again. Can you see what I'm doing? Turn your hand upward again. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that the shape is coming out small small? Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Watch what I'm doing. So after this, you bring the gear up, put it under low cut. You still blend it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm removing the lines. Can you see it? The beauty is coming out small small. Make sure you are following it accordingly. So after you have done it like this, finish, watch anywhere that you see that the thing did not blend very well. You blend it, take your time. Can you see it? Now after this, now you remove your step one. You do your hand detailing, free hand detailing, by raking it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? By raking it down like this. You rake it down like this. After you have raked it down like this, finish, you turn your hand upward to remove the anywhere that you see that did not blend very well. This is the free hand detailing. Now anywhere you see that did not blend very well, this is what you need to do. So after this, now if you see that everywhere is well blend, then the next thing you need to do now is to trim the hair. Put your clip on low cut level. You follow it like this. You trim it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see that it's very, very beautiful? So after this now, the next thing you need to do is to do the hair lining. You join your blade together. Whenever you want to shape hair, you join your blade together. You follow it accordingly. Can you see it? Can you see it? You do the other side. So this is how to cut a perfect taper fade. Everything I'm doing here is raw, theory and practical. So make sure you follow me for more. If you truly want to learn barbering, make sure you follow me for more because you are going to learn a lot. Follow me for more. If you have not been following me on YouTube, TikTok and Facebook, do well to follow me. On my YouTube, make sure you follow me, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, join my membership pack. Can you see it? Very simple and sweet. Do you see anything edited here? No. Everything here is raw so that you understand what we are doing. Then you understand that we are here to make you understand that paper fade is very, very simple and sweet. Can you see it? I love you guys. HUC got you always. One love. Please share, like, comment. Don't forget to follow us for more. We love you.